Question 2 of this exercise says find the area of the shaded region in figure if radii of the two concentric circles with center OR 7 cm and 14 cm respectively and angle AOC equals 40 degrees. So to find the area of the shaded region, we can find the area of the bigger sector, we can find the area of the smaller sector, and we can subtract them, we'll get the area of the shaded region. So let's take A1 as the area of the bigger sector, and we know the formula to find the area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r square. So theta is given, that is 40 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 22 by 7, and the radius of the bigger sector is given, that is 14 centimeter. So on solving this, we'll get the area of the bigger sector as 616 divided by 9 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of the smaller sector. We know the formula, that is theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r square. So it is 40 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 22 by 7 and multiplied by the radius of the smaller sector, that is 7 centimeters. So it will be a square of 7. So on solving this, we'll get the area of the smaller sector as 154 divided by 9 square centimeter. So on subtracting them, we'll get the shaded area. So it will be 616 divided by 9 minus 154 divided by 9. And on solving this, we'll get 462 divided by 9. And on further simplifying it, we'll get 154 divided by 3 square centimeter. So that is the area of the shaded region.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.